Hello everyone, this is the video 3 part 3. Here we are going to discuss decision control for loop statements. So we have already seen loops. Loops are the structure which allows us to repeat the execution of block of code as long as the specified condition is met. So loops are fundamental for automative repeating task. So we will see first for loop in this video. So for loop is a determinate loop because programmer knows exactly how many times the loop is repeating itself. So let us take one example so that the idea will be clearer to you. Average of first n natural numbers. So we will take a range r is equal to 10. Then we will take some variable which will be assigned value 0 initially, and we will start writing for loop for I, that is iterator, in range. Now we have to create a range of the numbers. So we will write as it is natural number, so we will take 1 comma r plus 1. Here why we have taken r plus 1, because if we take r is only r over there, the range will be from 1 to 9 only. So to have the range from 1 to 10, we have to add 1 plus 1 in the range function. So we have seen that the for loop statement, we have added semicolon after the range, and then we have to write the code like this: s plus equal to I, and we have to take average of that. So our loop ends over here and we have to take average. So we will take avg as our variable, and we will divide this s by the range, that is 10 numbers. Okay, so it will be s by r, and we will print the value. The syntax is quite simple and it is very easy to use. The average of the first n natural numbers, comma, and we will place s over there. So this will give us the value of average of first natural numbers, n natural numbers. So first n natural numbers are s by r. So instead of average we have put sum, that's why the value has come over there as 55. So we will put average over there, so it will be 5.5. This is the required answer that we should get from our code. Then we will see how we can produce multiplication table using for loop. So we will take a number. Let us take number as 19, which is quite difficult to create a table. So we will take for loop for I in range 1 comma 11, and we will print the multiplication of number by the iterator. So the range will have values from 1 to 10, and that number will be getting multiplied by iterator every single loop repeats. So we will get the value of our table. So we will write one sentence also, that is print. We will format it the table of table of num, and we will try to print it or run it. So we are going to get the difficult table of 19, which is very difficult to remember also. So this is the for loop example 2. Similarly, we have some statements which we use in our loops. So first of all, we will see what is the break statement. So let us see what is break statement. We have taken a while loop over here for break statement, and we are going to see if we start executing our program, the iterator will run from 1 to 10, and if it is I is equal to 5, at that time it will break. So the loop will break. So what is the expected answer? Please calculate in your mind. So it is from 1 to 5. Okay, so the output will be from 1 to 5. Let us see. Means if this condition hits in the loop will stop executing, and program will come out of the loop. See, so we have got 1 2 3 4 5. So break statement works like this. There is one more statement, that is continue statement. So let us see how continue can be used in the program. So we will have that code readily available for us. So we will iterate with the help of for loop, and iteration from 1 to 10 numbers, and if I is equal to 5, this condition hits, then that number will be omitted, and we will continue for the rest of the loop. So our output will be 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10, and this is how continue statement works. See, the output 5 is omitted from the loop, and we have got the output like 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10. Now let us see how pass statement works. So pass statement is simple. It does not do anything in the program. It just passes the what we can say, the loop to the next iteration. So this is how we have taken a hello string, and we are getting a letter from hello string with the help of membership operator, and we have said that we have put the pass statement over there, which does not do anything, and we lastly printed done. So what will be the output? It will not do anything. It will just pass the letter in the print function, and it will get printed. So this is how we are going to get the output: pass H, pass E, pass L, pass L, pass O. So the hello is printed by letter wise. And if you have any else statement other than this loop, so we can use that with the loop. So suppose we will take this continue statement, which has omitted 5 from the range. So we will take else statement over here, else print it is just like if else statement we are using. Suppose this condition does not meet over there, if we take range from 1 to 4, and we will write here the number 5 does not appear in the range. So let us see what will be the output. So here we have taken range from 1 to 4, so the numbers will be printed like 1 to 3. Let us run this code. So 1 to 3 is printed, but 5 has not means I is equal to 5, this condition does not hit over there, so that's why the else statement got executed, and we have got the number 5 does not appear in the range. So this is how we have ended with the for loop.